Hello there, welcome back to our channel. We started diagrammatic drawing series of human physiology. Today we are going to learn human heart, basically position of heart and its sections. I completely follow NCERT biology textbook for making this video. So let's learn. Heart is mesodermally derived organ. It is situated in the thoracic cavity in between the two lungs, slightly tilted to the left. It has the size of clenched fist. It is protected by a double-walled membranous bag known as pericardium, enclosing the pericardial fluid. Mammals possess a four-chambered heart with two atria and two ventricles, two relatively small upper chambers called atria and two larger lower chambers called ventricles. A thin muscular wall called the interatrial septum separates the right and left atria, whereas a thick wall, the interventricular septum, separates the left and the right ventricles. The atrium and the ventricle of the same side are also separated by a thick fibrous tissue called the atrioventricular septum. However, each of these septum are provided with an opening through which the two chambers of the same side are connected. The opening between the right atrium and the right ventricle is guarded by a valve formed of three muscular flaps or cusps, the tricuspid valve, whereas a bicuspid or mitral valve guards the opening between the left atrium and the left ventricle. The opening of the right and left ventricles into the pulmonary artery and the aorta respectively are provided with the semilunar valves. The valves in the heart allows the flow of blood only in one direction, that is from the atria to the ventricles and from the ventricles to the pulmonary artery or aorta. These valves prevent any backward flow. In mammals, oxygenated and deoxygenated blood received by the left and right atria respectively passes on to the ventricles of the same sides. The ventricles pump it out without any mixing up. That is, two separate circulatory pathways are present in these organisms. Hence, we have double circulation. This is all about today's video. Stay with us for more biology related videos. Subscribe our channel. Please share your suggestions. Thank you for your patience.